Good afternoon, my YouTube viewers. In this video, what I'm going to discuss is nesting and unpacking of collections in Python. So nesting and unpacking in Python are powerful tools that allow the programmer to work with complex data structures such as lists, tuples, and dictionaries in an intuitive way. So the first thing we're going to discuss is nesting. Nesting refers to placing one data structure inside another. So basically what we're going to do is the first thing we're going to talk about is list. So we're going to nest list. So a nested list equals a list of 1, 2, 3, and then a list of 4, 5, 6, and then a list of 7, 8, 9. So you've got, and then when you print your nested list, you've got your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then the next thing we're going to do is we're going to nest dictionaries. So a nested dictionary equals person 1 has the name of John and age of 25. Person 2 has the name of Bob and age of 30. And then we print the nested dict. So person 1, name John, age 25. Person 2, name Bob, age 30. So now what we're going to do is we're going to nest a tuple. So a nested tuple equals a tuple of 1 and 2, and a tuple of 3 and 4, and a tuple of 5 and 6. So you've got, you print your nested tuple, and then so you've got the nested tuple of a tuple of 1 and 2, a tuple of 3 and 4, and a tuple of 5 and 6 inside a tuple. So if you want to access your nested list, you go to print nested list 1, 2. So when you print your nested list, you have to remember that in Python, their number starts with 0. So with number 1, it's going to be the middle one, and number 2, it's going to be the third one. And so we've got, we printed off and it's 6. So that's what we've got. And then so now we're going to access a nested directory, print nested dict, person 1, name. And then so we come over here, back to our dictionary, and person 1 is John, age 25, and the name is John. So now what we're going to do is we're going to unpack. So unpacking allows you to extract elements from a data structure and assign them to variables in a single step. So we're going to unpack a list. So numbers equals 1, 2, 3. ABC equals numbers. Print ABC, and then you got 1, 2, 3. But one thing we can do here, just see what the difference is between numbers and 1, 2, 3. So you see that numbers is a list, but 1, 2, 3 is just not a list. So that's the difference between numbers and a list. So now we're going to unpack a tuple. Coordinates equals a tuple of 10 and 20. XY equals coordinates. And then we print XY. But I also want to print out the coordinates. So you can see the difference between the coordinates. So when you just print the coordinates, it's printed as a tuple. But when you print X and Y, it's individual variables or individual characters. So now we're going to use a star to unpack remaining elements. So values is a list of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 first, and then star middle and last is values. So you print the first, the middle, and the last. So you have 1, and then a list of 2, 3, 4, and then 5. So that star enables you to print a list as well. So you can unpack dictionaries using the star operator. So data equals name is John, age is 25, and then def, that's defining a function. Greet, name and age. Print hello, name, you are age, years old. So, and then we do greet, and then star data, and it gives you hello John, you are 25 years old. So that's good. You can unpack nested structures by combining these techniques. So a nested list unpacking. So a nested list is an array or a list of 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. So A, B, C, D, E, F are the nested list. So you print A, B, C, D, E, F, and you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But we'll just print the nested list. And see what the difference is. So you can see the difference between the nested list and the A, B, C, D, E, F. And now we have a nested dictionary unpacking. So nested dic is person 1, name is John, age is 25. Person 2, name is Bob, age is 30. For key value in nested dic dot items, name equals value name, age equals value age, and then print F key colon name comma age. So when you print that out, you get a person 1 is John 25 and a person 2 is Bob 30. So that's it. That's how you nest and unpack collections. And so that just gives you a little bit more information about how to work with collections. So that's it for this video. My next video, we will be talking about some more Python subjects. So I look forward to communicating with you in that video.